If you spent hours scrolling through apps like Instagram, Netflix, or Airbnb, congratulations, you are already interacting with some of the world's best designs. But have you ever wondered who creates those experiences? Or more importantly, how can you become one of them? Today, we are diving into one of the most creative, in-demand and future-proof fields, UI and UX design. Whether you are a beginner, a student or a professional looking to switch careers, this video is for you. What is UI and UX? Before we talk about the career path, let's clear the basics. UI stands for user interface. It is everything you see and interact with on a screen. The buttons, the colors, the typography, the icons. Basically, how an app or website looks. UX or user experience is about how it feels. It is the entire journey a user goes through, how easy it is to navigate, how intuitive it feels, and how quickly they can achieve what they came for. Think of it this way. If a car's dashboard and design are the UI, then how smooth and enjoyable the ride feels is the UX. Both work hand in hand to create digital products we use every single day, from scrolling through Instagram to booking a flight online. Why UI UX matter in 2026? Let's talk about why this field is exploding right now. Every company is a kind of digital company nowadays. Whether it is an e-commerce brand, a hospital, a travel app, everyone needs interfaces that are clean, fast, and user-friendly. And that's why demand for UI UX designers has grown globally in the last 2 years, especially in markets like the UAE, Europe, and North America. Good design is no longer a nice to have. It is what drives user trust, conversions, and customer loyalty. And that is why skilled designers are becoming as valuable as engineers. So, if you have got an eye for creativity and an interest in solving real-world problems, UI UX design might just be your perfect career choice. Learn the foundations. Every great designer starts with the basics. Before opening Figma or Edoxi, you need to understand design principles, color theory, typography, spacing, contrast, and composition. Learn how shapes, balance, and white space guide a user's eyes. Understand accessibility, making sure your designs are easy to use for everyone. Once you grasp these foundations, start exploring tools like Figma, Edoxi, or Sketch. These are your digital canvases where ideas come alive. Don't rush the stage. Your understanding of why designs work matters more than how to make them. Understand the user. The UX in UI UX is all about understanding the person behind the screen. Before you design, you need to ask, who is the user? What problem are they trying to solve? And what is making that process harder right now? Learn to conduct user research, interviews, and surveys. Create personas, imaginary profiles of your ideal user. Map user journeys from their first click to their final action. Remember, the best design isn't the prettiest. It is the one that solves real problems seamlessly. Build real projects. Now that you understand users and tools, it is time to get hands-on. Start small. Redesign a simple app interface, improve a website, or create a landing page for a fake brand. Your portfolio is your biggest asset as a designer. It tells employers not just what you can design, but how you think. Share the process. Sketches, wireframes, prototypes. Show how your design decisions improve usability or engagement. Every project you do adds credibility and gets you one step closer to your first job. Master advanced skills. Once you've built a few projects, start leveling up. Learn prototyping, turning designs into clickable, interactive experiences. Practice usability testing, where you watch real users interact with your design and not where they get stuck. Explore A/B testing to compare two design versions and see what performs better. Also, familiarize yourself with design systems, structured guidelines that big companies like Google or Apple use to maintain consistency across their products. Specialize and grow. Now that you have built strong fundamentals, it is time to find your niche. In 2026, being a general designer isn't enough. Specialization helps you stand out. You can focus on mobile UX design, for apps and responsive interfaces, or web design for websites and e-commerce platforms. You can also focus on AR/VR interface design for immersive experiences or UX research for testing and behavioral analysis. The deeper your expertise, the stronger your career growth, because companies now hire specialists who understand specific user environments. Get experience and build your career. Finally, let's talk about career progression. Most designers start as junior UI UX designers. Then you gain experience, you move to product designer, senior designer, and eventually design lead or manager. With about 5 to 7 years of experience, top UI UX designers earn over $100,000 annually in global markets, or over 200,000 dirhams per year in the UAE. And remember, UI UX design isn't just about creativity. It is about communication, psychology, and business understanding. The more you understand why design impacts users, the more valuable you become. So if you are someone who loves creativity, problem solving, and technology, UI UX design is one of the most rewarding career paths you can choose in 2026. And if you want us to make a video on AI tools every UI UX designer should learn in 2026, type AI design in the comments.